This is David from swimmingpoollearning.com, and in this video I'm going to go over some of the natural chemistry products that are commonly used in pool maintenance. Perfect Weekly is a blended formula that contains 3 different products, and I would liken it to maybe a hamburger special with a cheeseburger, fries, and a Coke, since it has 3 different formulas in one. Perfect Weekly contains noPHOS, which traps phosphates, and this is the food for algae, and the phosphates are eliminated when you clean the filter or backwash the filter. It also has a SMARTzyme, and this is a formula that breaks down oils and non-living organic contaminants, and both of these have been proven to enhance the chlorine level in the pool, meaning that the chlorine will last longer in the pool when you're using noPHOS and the SMARTzyme. And the Perfect Weekly has one more, and that's COVERfree. And this is a product that helps with the water evaporation. So using all 3 of these will cut down on your pool maintenance, and they also save you money on your pool energy and water costs. Perfect Weekly is also very easy to use. You just put 1 capful per 8,000 gallons in the pool weekly in the skimmer while the pool is running. And so if your pool is 15,000 gallons, you would put about 2 capfuls in. Natural Chemistry also makes a Pool Perfect plus FOS free, and this also is a great product to use in your pool. It includes the FOS free and also the SMARTzyme, and it acts very similar to the Perfect Weekly, except this is more like having just the burger and fries without the drink. What would be some of the reasons to use just the FOS free or the noPHOS product in your pool? If you get your pool water tested and you have high phosphate levels in the pool, it's a good idea to use a non-blended formula, which would be the Natural Chemistry FOS free or the Leslie's noPHOS, and you would use this in the pool to reduce the phosphate levels. And then you can switch over to using a blended formula like Perfect Weekly to maintain a low phosphate level in your pool. And the blended formula like Pool Perfect won't cloud your pool water up. That's another great benefit of using a 3-in-1 formula. Natural Chemistry has a Pool Perfect, which is the SMARTzyme by itself, and this will break down oils and non-living organic contaminants in the pool. And the reason you may want to use this product by itself, maybe you have dogs swimming in the pool, or if you have people using a lot of suntan lotion, you may just want to use the Pool Perfect by itself to break down these non-organics in the water. But in most cases, using something like Perfect Weekly will have enough of the SMARTzyme in it to be effective. And I think the blended formula with the noPHOS, SMARTzymes, and COVERfree is the way to go. You're going to get your money's worth, and you're going to get 3 products in one. And you can tell by the reviews that this is a product that really will help with your pool maintenance, reduce the amount of chlorine you're going to use in your pool, and help prevent algae in your pool. And of course, all these products are great and effective by themselves, but the blended formula makes using all these products very simple and easy.